Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know with the title, this video is for beginners in calligraphy. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's begin. You need paper and brush pens. As a beginner, I recommend you use Camlin brush pens as they are affordable and they retail for 95 rupees 6 pens. Calligraphy is all about strokes, thin and thick strokes. The thick strokes are drawn in downward direction. Now the thin stroke. The thin strokes are drawn in upward direction. Next you have the slanting thin and the slanting thick stroke. Then the curve thick and thin stroke, the thin curve and the thick curve. Now the circle, the thick circle and the thin circle. Always keep this in mind. Whenever you draw something in downward direction, it will be a thick stroke, and when you take in an upward direction, it will be a thin stroke. Practice this at least 3 to 4 sheets. Now we'll start with the lowercase letters. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share my video. Comment down below if you want me to do a video on uppercase letters. Do follow me on Insta. The link is in the description box below. Stay safe, stay happy.